go to hypermarkets and mail order businesses, still under large-scale retail businesses. What is an hypermarket? It's a very large supermarket that offers different kinds of goods with self-servicing. But they are not common in developing countries like Nigeria, because such businesses are located outside the town and they cover a very large expanse of land. Then what are mail order businesses? Mail order businesses are that which are carried out through the use of advertisement in newspapers, in periodicals, or by sending out prices to customers through mails or posts. So, what are the features of this mail order businesses? Such is conducted through the post office, only through the post office. Then it encourages large warehousing facilities, and then cash is paid on delivery of goods to the customers. Likewise, producers can bypass the retailer and wholesaler when mail order businesses are used to deliver goods to, when mail order business is encouraged. And then what are the advantages of this mail order business? They sell goods in large quantities because they have large warehouses where they store their commodities, and they offer direct sales to the consumers. They offer consumer relation. They have consumer relationship, interpersonal relationship with consumers. And the disadvantages of a mail order business are advertising cost is very high in mail order businesses because they have to go directly to advertising their goods to consumers at different in different areas and at different point in time. Another disadvantage of a mail order business is the possibilities of damage to goods while in transit. Now, in the next video, we'll be talking about modern trends in retailing, in retail business.